How to create talking cartoon videos using AI.
Don't miss the sale!
This golden mango is the finest in the whole jungle. Nobody touches it. Nobody.
Huh? What? I didn't do anything.
Somebody stole my mango! Who did this? Who?
Why is everybody moving back? Why are you all looking at me like that?
Kemi, darling. Is there something in your mouth?
I just made that talking cartoon video 100% free on my phone just some minutes ago. No Grok, no Google Flow, no subscription. It was 100% free and it was unlimited. And the shocking part is this AI tool is hiding inside an application that you already have on your phone. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this application to create AI talking cartoons that do very well. The name of the AI tool we're going to be using today is YouTube. Not YouTube Studio, but normal YouTube that you have on your phone. Last week, I dropped a video on how to use this same AI tool and the comments were crazy. People had lots of questions. So on today's video, I'm going to take us again through the process step by step, answering all the questions that you guys had in the previous video and making this one much clearer with the aim of creating AI cartoons this time. Watch this video to the end because there are so many reasons why your videos will not generate using this AI. So if you don't pay attention to my instructions fully. Hi, my name is Jane. This is Everyday AI with Jane. On this page, I teach you how to create content using AI with the aim of monetization. So let's get straight into it. So once you open your YouTube, normal YouTube, you scroll down, you will see this plus button here. Click the plus button and then scroll over to where it says Shorts. Once you see your Shorts button, click the Shorts button and then this star button on the top right corner. That is what you are going to select. Once you click it, it opens up like this. This is the interface for AI creation using YouTube. To create AI movies of any kind, it goes through a 3-step process. You have to create your prompts, create images, and then turn those images to videos. Now, if you're a beginner in the AI space, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So the very first question I got from people was that their generations couldn't generate because it was saying this error. Now, the reason why your generations do not generate properly is because of your prompt. And to solve that problem, I've created a prompt document. Now, with this prompt document, all you need to do is copy the prompt document, paste it on your chatbot, add your storyline under it, and send it to your chatbot. And the chatbot is going to produce for you your movie into scenes that are going to generate effortlessly on this AI tool. If you would like this prompt document, comment AI movie prompt, and I'll send this document to you. Now we're going to go to our prompt document. That is the prompt that the chatbot has already created for us, and we're going to take the first scene. For this one, I'm going to be showing you how to create videos straight from text. If you do not have a movie idea, your chatbot can also give you a movie idea, right? Just ask it, give me a movie like that. Now look at this question. Some people's generations did not work when it has to do with kids, and this is the reason why and how to fix it. Now, one thing you should note about this prompt is, first of all, for it to work on YouTube, your video must be in the animated style. And if you want to make talking cartoons that look like this, you must have this line, Disney Pixar animated style. That line must be in your prompt. We're going to copy this video and we're going to paste it into this portion right here. And we're going to click the send button. Now, the kind of video I want to create is something like a Lion King kind of adaptation where we have a lion and a gorilla and they also have a small altercation, okay? So we're going to allow this to run. The video is generated and this is what it looks like. I think this is amazing. It generated also well. See the characters, see the lion, see the gorilla. They look all so good. It's giving high quality generation. So this was a generation straight from text. Now, another question I got a lot was they were not seeing the download button. Now, if you're using the iOS device and you're not seeing your download button, just go and update your YouTube application. The download button should come on. But if the download button does not still come on, what you can do is just screen record it. So for us that use Android, you just scroll over here and click this button here. Yeah, scroll down, click it. It says save to your device, and the video will be saved to your device. So now going back to my device, opening the video, I can see it saved on my device. Now the next part of the video I want to do is I want to create the next portion of this video from images, because I want to maintain the character of the lion and the character of the gorilla. So I'm going to scroll over and take a screenshot of the face of the lion and take a screenshot of the face of the gorilla. Now back to our YouTube application, okay, back to our AI tool interface in the YouTube application. I'm going to click the plus button and I'm going to upload the images of the lion and of the gorilla. And I'm going to go back to my chatbot and copy scene 2 prompt, and I'm going to come over and paste it. You can see that the scene 2 prompt has dialogue. That means the gorilla is going to talk, and also the lion is going to talk. So once you have pasted it, you're going to press the send button. It's going to take some time to run, and the video is going to be generated. Let's see what it looks like.
Give me the crown, Zara. It was never meant for someone like you.
You're right. It wasn't meant for me.
I think that is also very nice. So you're going to click the download button and download it. So you're going to do this for all the scenes that are in the video. And once you're done, you're going to take all these 3 scenes and take it to a video editor of your choice. I'm going to use CapCut. We're going to put these images one by one, and then we are going to export it. And when we export the video, this is what we have.
Give me the crown, Zara. It was never meant for someone like you.
You're right. It wasn't meant for me.
Hi!
That is the video. I think is amazing. So this prompt document is extremely important for you. If you like the prompt document, comment AI movie prompt and I'm going to send it to you. Remember, once you put the prompt document, you put your story under and then you send it to your chatbot. You can join my Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description, and get much more information and one-on-one conversations with me. Another question I got was, how do we create it into a 16:9 aspect ratio? Because it originally comes in a 9:16 aspect ratio. And this is so simple. You just add this line to your prompt. Make the video 90 degrees clockwise. Add it at the end of your prompt and your video will generate in the widescreen landscape form, which is 16:9. So guys, before you go, note that every Tuesday I'm going to be dropping a new video, and my new video is going to show us how to create realistic looking AI videos, and it's going to be 100% free. So